starts with in Python tells if a string starts with a certain substring.
Example 1, S equals Spencer Torkelson. S starts with Spence is true because S starts with Spence. Example 2, S equals Riley Green. 2 because S starts with at least one of those within S starts with R, RI, or Q. It doesn't matter that it doesn't start with Q. As long as it starts with one of those, it will return true.
Ends with in Python tells if a string ends with a certain substring.
You can optionally provide a tuple of strings the string could end with. Only one string in the tuple has to be true. You can also optionally provide one number that specifies the match having to start at that point or after, to the end of the string. You can optionally provide two numbers, those specifying that the match has to occur within those numbers. Code. You have S equals Raphael Devers. S dot ends with S. That's obviously true. S dot ends with S, or ERS, or Devers, or Dev. That's true because even though it doesn't end with Dev, these all are true, so it ends up being true. S dot ends with Devers. That's obviously true. And it doesn't start at character 5 or onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so yes. S dot ends with Devers. Does that happen character 8 and onwards? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That would be a no. And that's why that is false.
Like and subscribe to learn more.